Hello Kuwait and Philippines, hello Middle East, and hello world. Ayan po, welcome ulit dito sa live update natin. Kasama niyo muli, Miss Tin, yung lingkod dito sa ICSA. And may exciting news tayo today at may dahilan para mag-celebrate. So, ayan po. So, welcome sa ating live update and kita niyo, may hawak na naman akong DHL. So, alam niyo na mga UK diploma graduates natin. So, it's coming from UK sa Qualify. So, andito na yung ating mga original documents or credential ng mga UK diploma graduates natin. So, yan. Samahan niyo ako na batiin sila na congratulations. And then, mamaya-maya, sabay natin din yung mga skill-based training graduates din natin. Okay, so dalawa. So, as I've said before sa ating live update is si ICSA is offering not only UK diploma, pero nag-o-offer din tayo mga skill-based training program. Okay. So yan, mainit-init pa, kakabukas lang. Kaka-deliver lang kaninang umaga, ngayon lang tayo nagka-oras na buksan. So, congratulations sa ating mga UK diploma graduates. So, sa mga estudyante natin dyan na mga UK diploma, so, kung ang pangalan ninyo is natawag, saan dito na yung credential ninyo. So, eto, ito hindi pa siya authenticated, ha. Ibabalik pa natin to siya sa UK. Sa mga estudyante natin na gustong ipa-authenticate yung credential nila in Apostille Office in London and Kuwait Embassy in London. Okay? So, simulan natin. Congratulations to Miss Sanji Chuden. So, you have been awarded the level 5 qualified diploma in health and social care. Ayan po. So, actually, si Miss Sanji is our student from level 4. Tapos, natapos niya rin yung level 5 niya. And right now, tinatapos niya yung kanyang completion of bachelor degree in University of Derby. So, ayan. Congratulations also to Mr. Rapi L. Pulenda. I guess si Mr. Rapi is nasa Saudi Arabia, if not mistaken. So, ayan po. Congratulations, Mr. Rapi. Your diploma in level 4 diploma in business management. So, ayan. Congratulations also to Miss Manilyn Rubio Peñamora. Miss Manilyn, nandito na po yung credential ninyo. You have also completed your qualified level 4 diploma in health and social care. So, medyo baka maingay dito kasi dito ako sa reception. Congratulations also to Mr. Muhammad Hansla. You have been awarded the qualified level 5 diploma in business management. So, available yung mga level 5 diploma natin, which is equivalent to second year in college. Congratulations also to Mr. Ahmad Seifan. You have completed your level 3 diploma in information technology. So, sa mga kababayan din natin na hindi nakapagtapos ng high school, there is still a chance na magkaroon kayo ng UK diploma. So, pwede kayong magsimula sa level 3 diploma courses natin. So, available siya. May chance pa rin na magkaroon kayo ng diploma. Available yung ating level 3. Congratulations also to Ms. Shubarna Mustafa. You have been awarded the qualified level 5 diploma in information technology. So, yan. Available din yung level 5 for IT. Congratulations also to Ms. Joanna Nelson Ketsia. So, you have been awarded qualified level 4 diploma in accounting and finance. So, accounting and finance, congratulations, Ms. Joanna. So, our courses here in ICSA, especially in diploma, open na open siya kahit kanina man. As long as you meet the qualification, pwede kayong mag-enroll dito sa ating internationally recognized diploma. Ayan. So, congratulations also to Ms. Nimra Ashraf Muhammad. You have been awarded the qualified level 5 diploma in business management. So, once you have done with your level 5, you are now has an option to proceed in level 6, or we call it the top-up level for completion of your bachelor degree in any university in UK. So, congratulations also to Mr. Muhammad Sahil Muhammad Ashraf. You have been awarded the qualified level 5 diploma in business management. Congratulations also to Miss Gulshan Shazadi Muhammad Ashraf. So, silang ito, lahat yan graduate ng level 5 diploma in business management. Congratulations also to Miss Cherry Rose Baltar. You have been awarded level 3 diploma in health and social care. Ma'am Cherry, andito na yung credential. So if your name has been mentioned here, you can communicate me or contact me in the admin in +96597674076 for authentication process. Okay, so I'll be sending you also messages and preferred authentication. So yan. Congratulations also to Miss Aisa Baningin Salibo. You have been awarded Level 3 Diploma in Health and Social Care. Congratulations also to Miss Namraida Sasao Bonco. You have been awarded Level 3 Diploma in Health and Social Care. Congratulations also to Miss Eileen B. Macalos. You have been awarded Level 4 Diploma in Health and Social Care. Ma'am Eileen, nandito na yung diploma mo. Miss Josephine, congratulations also to Miss Josephine Panda Monteliano. You have been awarded the Level 3 Diploma in Health and Social Care. Congratulations also to Miss Jelaila Gitachu Mingetsu. So, correct me if I'm wrong, Miss Jelaila. Miss Jelaila, right now, I guess she's in Qatar. So, yes, congratulations, Miss Jelaila. You have been awarded the Level 4 Diploma in Information Technology. Congratulations also to Miss Luteria Dono Ohario. You have been completed your Level 4 Diploma in Health and Social Care. Congratulations also to Miss Alona Z. Rampola. Miss Alona, dito na yung diploma niyo po. So, si Miss Alona is one of those students na magpapaprocess na kanilang authentication, which is yung apostille in London and Kuwait Embassy in London. So, from here, kukolect muna natin yung mga nakapag gustong mag-avail ng ating authentication process. Then, ibabalik natin ulit sa UK for stamping. Congratulations also to Miss Irene Joy Bolio Salvaria. So, yes, Ma'am Irene, nandito na rin yung diploma mo po. Congratulations also to Miss Joylene O. Tamayaw. You have been awarded the Diploma in Health and Social Care. Ayan. So, sa mga susante natin ng UK Diploma, please, share itong live natin para aware sila. Nandito na yung kanilang credential. Although, mag-message din naman ako sa inyo individually.
For IELTS, how much fee?
I'm doing a live. Sorry. Can you go to Miss Rachel? She will assist you. Yeah. Sorry. Andito ako sa reception. Okay. Congratulations also to Miss Lirio Iscarda Cuyo. You have been awarded the Diploma in Health and Social Care. Congratulations also to Miss Bernadette R. Vera. You have been awarded Level 4 Diploma in Health and Social Care. Okay, so itong mga credential na to, pwedeng-pwede nang gamitin for their application, especially in Canada, US, kasi meron naman silang ibang authentication process doon or evaluation process ng credential, which is yung WES, ECA, or ECAS. Pero kung application ninyo is within this Middle Eastern countries, so kailangan pa talaga ng apostille at saka embassy stamp attestation, yung tinatawag natin. Okay, so this one, ready na. Pwede nyo nang kunin dito. Pero sa mga gustong pang magpa-process ng kanilang authentication, so please message me, dahil say admin. Sorry, ang ingay ng paligid. Andito ako sa reception. Okay, so yun. Congratulations sa ating mga UK Diploma graduates. Now, let's proceed naman sa ating mga newly graduate din ng ating skill-based training program. So, congratulations also to Mr. Andito na tayo sa skill-based training. So, di ba meron tayong diploma, which is more on academic, may academic units. So, ito naman tayo sa practical training course, which is more siya sa skills ang training natin. Pag skills na tawag is talagang hands-on. Kung ano yung kailangan ng trabaho mo, like for example, as a caregiver, practical lahat. Okay? Yan, congratulations to Mr. Luther. Mr. Luther Mines. You have been successfully completed the requirement of caregiver practical training course. Ayan po. Congratulations also to Miss Jenny A. Turano. You have completed your computer secretarial training course. Congratulations also to Miss Jeneth Gallego Dorado. You have completed also your computer secretarial training course. And congratulations also to Mr. Tauhid Raza Anis Ahmad. So, ayun. Na-distract ako. Okay. So, congratulations to Mr. Tauhid. You have completed your hardware, networking, and CCTV installation. Congratulations also to Miss Sarah May P. Cabuenas. You have completed your caregiver practical training course. So, ito yung mga in-demand courses natin, yung ating caregiver practical. So, sa mga kababayan natin na gustong magkaroon ng skills in caregiver practical. Actually, yung caregiver practical, it can be used sa sarili natin, sa pamilya, at least alam natin kung anong gagawin, kung ano yung mga first aid, kumbaga, yung mga pag-check ng blood pressure, pag-check ng blood sugar. So, dapat as a individual, yun talaga kapag trentahin ka na, kailangan marunong tayo sa mga emergency, pag-check ng mga BP, kung high blood ka na, at least alam mo kung paano kumuha ng mga blood pressure ng mga kasama mo if in case may emergency. Okay? Na kailangan na pumunta sa hospital or ganun. So, itong caregiver talagang gamit na gamit either personal or sa trabaho. Congratulations also to Miss Cecilia Subal Bisagar. You have completed your computer secretarial training course. So, ayan. Yan. Sa mga kababayan natin na gusto mag-refresh ng kanilang skills in computer, lalo na sa mga nangangamba kung paano gumamit ng computer, magandang start itong ating computer secretarial training course. Congratulations to Miss Roxana Actor Ruma Ripon. Correct me if I'm pronouncing your name. Ayun po. Congratulations, you have completed your computer secretarial training course. Miss Eileen Nocedo, you have completed your virtual assistant training course. Okay? So, ayan po. Congratulations! So, yung ating in naman ngayon na training course is yung virtual assistant training course. Sa mga gustong tahakin yung virtual jobs as an admin, secretary, executive assistant online. So, open na open yung ating virtual assistant training course. So, congratulations also to Miss Laila Bartulay Roque. You have completed your computer secretarial training course. So, ayan. So, parang weekly na lang may nagtatapos ng natin, no, ng ating mga skill-based training. So, yan, congratulations sa ating mga graduates, both UK diploma and skill-based training course. So, sa mga nanonood sa atin, so hopefully, hindi tayo hanggang lang sa panonood, mag-start kayo sa pag-upgrade ng inyong skills. Kasi once na-upgrade nyo na yung skills ninyo, na-upgrade nyo rin yung CV ninyo, so there are more possibilities at saka opportunities na go-open naman on the way. Kaysa sa andyan na yung opportunity, hindi pa tayo ready. Okay? So habang andito abroad, gumawa kayo ng oras at paraan na mag-upgrade ng inyong skills kaysa magala tayo sa labas, mag-spend ng ating oras na walang kabuluhan, try to invest para sa sarili nga. 'Di ba? Yung pag-invest sa sarili is number 1, enhance your skills. Ma'am Sara, anong pangalan niyo? Kasi ito mga susanti, iba yung pangalan sa Facebook. Wait lang. Anong pangalan mo, Ma'am Sara? Ang tunay na pangalan. Ang alam ko lang yung apelyido. Ma'am Sara Mi? Tama? Bakit ka naging Sara G? So, ayun. Andito na, Ma'am Sara Mi, yung yung certificate. Pwede mo nang kunin any time of the day as long as open yung office natin. So, we're open from 9 to 6 kapag Friday. Pag weekdays naman, we're open from 9 to 7 p.m. So, yun. Congratulations sa ating mga graduates. So, andito na yung mga certificate ninyo and you can start na sa pag-apply ng trabaho or yan, Ma'am Sara. Thank you for confirmation. Andito na yung certificate ninyo. Maraming salamat. God bless po. Yan, congratulations, Ma'am Sara. And God bless sa susunod na plano, ano ba yung next na plan, upgrade on diploma, or mag-proceed na for application. So, ayan, update nyo lang kami and punta ka lang dito sa office to collect your certificate. So, itong mga patunay na to, yung mga certification na to, na nakaya ng mga susante natin na kahit 24/7 ang trabaho, iba naman is once a month lang nakakapag-off or twice a month lang nakakapag-off, pero nakaya pa rin nilang isingit yung pag-aaral, pagtitraining. So, sana kayo din sa mga manood natin, try to invest your time and then mag-invest din ng, syempre, kasama na doon yung budget. God bless po, Ma'am Sara Mi. So, yun, sa mga kabayan natin, lalo na mga kapa-OFWs natin, kung may araw din naman kayo na available, why not invest it sa training, pag-upgrade ng sarili kaysa sa nagagala tayo. Although okay lang naman mag-unwind, maggala kasi nga mababawasan yung stress sa trabaho. Pero try to invest your time sa pag-upgrade ng skills. Kasi once you upgrade your skills, yung mga opportunities andyan na rin on the way. Okay? Kaysa sa andyan na yung opportunities, hindi na tayo makakapag-apply kasi kulang tayo sa skills. Okay? So ayan, for more details for our courses, pwede kayo mag-message dito sa ating comment box below. Di kaya mag-message sa ating WhatsApp number, +965-9930-2850, and then yung sa baba. Message lang kayo dyan, or magbisita kayo dito sa office natin. We are located here in Panasonic Tower, 8th floor, Malia, Kuwait City. So kung makakapagala kayo dito, pwede kayong dumaan. Magpalamig muna kayo dito sa ICSA kasi sobrang init sa labas. Pwede kayo mag-inquire kung ano yung mga magandang courses natin dito at depende rin sa plano ninyo. Okay? So maraming salamat and God bless you everyone. See you more sa ating mga live update. Bye po and God bless you.